Currently, first-line therapy is rituximab combinations, also called chemoimmunotherapy, which results in a median of 3.5 years of progression-free survival, or PFS. In second line, ibrutinib, an oral medication, is given daily until progression or serious adverse events, and is the only approved drug for monotherapy and actually also in combination with the rituximab, and achieves a median progression-free survival of 2 years in about close to 70% of those patients eligible for ibrutinib. But despite all of this, despite this being the only FDA-approved treatment, there are a number of key challenges with ibrutinib, including its lack of efficacy in certain Waldenstrom genotypes, some side effects which can frequently be serious, but importantly are very chronic and can be affecting the patient's quality of life, and the fact that patients relapse shortly upon discontinuation, resulting in no meaningful treatment-free remission. And actually, to that list, I can also add the fact that all the ibrutinib-based clinical trials in Waldenstrom have shown a nearly 0% complete response rate. So we know that while ibrutinib will provide some disease stabilization and responses, it is more of an inhibitor in the sense that it does not eliminate the disease and does not give deep responses. Thus, the natural history of the disease may not be very meaningfully changed in the absence or after stopping the ibrutinib. And finally, many patients are not eligible to receive ibrutinib due to concomitant diseases or comorbidities, which can sometimes overlap with the side effect profile of ibrutinib. Also, patients discontinue its use early in treatment due to adverse events such as ventricular arrhythmias can happen, atrial fibrillation, or a risk of bleeding or bruising. But I also mentioned the chronic side effects that can be low grade but can be much more of an impact on quality of life, like diarrhea, fatigue, headaches, rash, etc. So there clearly exists a need for a new treatment option, a different mechanism of action in Waldenstrom that provides treatment-free intervals and improves the safety, and plus, like I said, meaningfully changes the natural history of disease by providing deeper and meaningful responses with limited treatment duration. And that option could very well be CLR 131.